Need to compare two columns in Excel to spot differences, find matches, or catch missing data? You're in the right place. Whether you're cleaning up messy lists, verifying records, or preparing reports, mastering this skill can save you hours and eliminate costly mistakes. In this video, I'll guide you through 4 powerful and easy-to-follow methods to compare columns in Excel, all with clear, real-world examples. Let's dive in and make your data work smarter. Let's start with the most basic approach, comparing two columns for exact matches using the equal sign. In cell C2, type equal sign, select the A2 cell. Again, add an equal sign, and select the B2 cell. Finally, press Enter. Copy it down to compare the entire list. This will return true if both cells match exactly, or false if they don't. Want clearer results than just true or false? Let's make your comparison more user-friendly. Instead of showing raw logical values, try this formula in cell C2. This gives a clear message: match when both values are the same, or no match when they're different. What's happening here? If checks a condition, a 2 equals B2 is the test. Excel checks if the two cells have the same value. If they do, it returns match. If not, it returns no match. After typing the formula, press Enter. Now just drag the fill handle down. And you'll instantly see which rows match and which don't. This is super useful for cleaning data, doing audits, or quickly spotting mismatches in reports. Use conditional formatting to visually identify matching or mismatching values. Select both columns A2 to B12. Go to the Home tab, then Conditional Formatting. Select New Rule. Choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter this formula. Set a red fill color to highlight mismatches. Now, mismatches pop visually, making analysis faster. Want to find which items in column A are missing from column B? Use the VLOOKUP function to do it in seconds. In cell C2, type this formula. Here, A2 is the lookup value. B2 to B12 is the range where Excel will search for the value in A2. The dollar signs make the reference absolute, meaning if you copy the formula down or across, this range will not change. 1 is the column index number. False tells Excel you want an exact match only. If the name is found, it returns the name. If not, it gives an error. Now, press Enter. Drag down to apply other cells. To handle those errors better, let's improve it. Wrap your VLOOKUP with if error for clearer messaging. In cell C2, update the formula. Press Enter and drag it down. This replaces errors with a readable label. As you've seen, Excel offers a variety of methods to compare two columns, from simple formulas to advanced lookups and visual tools. Choose the one that fits your workflow best. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an Excel tip from Easy Click Learning. Drop a comment and let me know which method you use most. Thanks for watching.